Hi, my name is Elias Yusri Ben Yusrizal. My metric number 257145. So this is individual task for acting governance for this semester. The topic given for my individual task is all about virtue theory. Virtue theory is a philosophy developed by Aristotle and other ancient Greeks, and it's part of normative ethics. This theory derives from three concepts, which are virtue, practical wisdom, and eudaimonia. Human acquires virtue through good practices and behaviors. Thus, virtues will help people to make the right choice when faced with ethical challenges. However, the act is not virtuous if the intent to be good is lacking. Definition: virtue is an excellent trait of character and disposition, well entrenched in its honor. Virtue theory is an ethical theory that highlights individual character rather than following a set of rules. It emphasizes on the role of character and virtue rather than either doing one's duty or acting in order to bring about good consequences. It is a character-centered ethical system when one should strive to be a virtuous person. Aristotle defined virtue theory in terms of proper functioning. It explained that everything has a function, so when something fulfills function, then it's considered as a good. Otherwise, it's considered as a bad. And this concept is applied to all creatures, including human beings. In short, Aristotle concluded that being virtuous simply means of doing the right thing at the right moment, in the right way, in the right amount, and toward the right people. So the adopted definition by Aristotle is that virtue theory is a set of robust character traits that will lead to predictably good behavior once it has been developed. There are four forms of virtue ethics. The first one is eudaimonis, second one is agent-based and exemplaris, thirdly is target-centered, and the last one is platonistic. We will go one by one. The first one is eudaimonis. It defines virtues in terms of their relationship to eudaimonia, which means happiness or flourishing. The second form is agent-based and exemplaris, which can ultimately explain in terms of the motivational and dispositional qualities of agent. The next one is target-centered. It is a disposition to respond to or acknowledge items within its field or fields in an excellent or good enough way. The last one is platonistic, which is happiness or well-being. Eudaimonia is the highest aim of the moral thought and conduct, and the virtues are the requisite skills and disposition needs to attain it. Aristotle classified virtue ethics into three perspectives and used vice concept. It means as vice deficiency, golden mean, and vice excess. Virtue is the optimum level which places in between of extreme deficiency and extreme excess. Optimum refers virtue at the right amount and known as golden mean. Vice deficiency means not applying virtue enough, while vice excess applying virtue too much. There are 12 virtues introduced by Aristotle. The first one is courage, second, temperance, thirdly is liberality, fourth, magnificence, fifth, pride, sixth, honor. The next virtues followed by good temper, friendliness, truthfulness, wit, friendship, and lastly is justice. There are several applications in Malaysia context. The first one is courage. So for example, someone witnessed bank robbery. So the courage leads someone to do a right action by calling for police for help, instead of heading to catch the robbery by your own that might put yourself in a danger. Next is the application of respectful. So in order to get along with others at work or in the corporation, you must be a good listener, open-minded, and put respect in regards to their opinions or criticisms. Thus, you will be one of the valuable part of your company. Next is generous. The best type of generous is placed at the midpoint in between stinginess or prodigality. For example, in Malaysia, instead of being generous giving free food to the influencer for your business benefits, you may give the free food to those people who really need it, such as homeless people. Practical wisdom is part of virtue ethic. It means the understanding of what is required in a particular situation in the light of understanding what is good, which involves considerable sensitivity. Practical wisdom, in other words, refers to the inner character of oneself. Having virtue means you know what to do as a human being, and you know how to handle yourself. You know how to get along with other people, you know how to make a good judgment, and you know what is right and what is wrong. Virtue is a skill that can be learned through experience and is cultivated over time. If you're practicing a good virtues in your daily life as a norm repeatedly, eventually it will become an ingrained part of your inner character effortlessly. People that applies virtue theory to become virtuous, then he will attain the pinnacle of humanity and achieve eudaimonia or happiness. At the end, you are the one that will decide to be more or less virtuous, or closer or farther from particular virtuous practices. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching, sir. Have a nice day ahead.